Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel if you're new. Hi, I'm Chanel. If you're not new, thank you for coming back. So let's jump straight into this review. Alright y'all, so we're about to jump into this review right here. So if you did not see my last video, I unboxed this right here. It's on my head, this right here. I unboxed this. And I will go ahead and link the video up above in the iCards for you to go ahead and check out that unboxing and my very first reactions. So, YANIBEST reached out to me and they wanted to send me an item to try out and test out for you guys. So, that's what I did, okay? I believe I've had this for about 4 or 5 days now, and I tested this mug out, okay? So, I'm going to go ahead and let you know what this is. This is the YANIBEST. It does comes with a card. Like I said, I did a whole unboxing of it. I'll make sure I link that video up above so you guys can see it in my hands. And I'm showing you the inside and everything. In fact, I'm just going to go ahead and add a few of those clips right here in the video for you guys to watch as well. So they gave me the option of choosing which color I wanted. What is this? Okay, sorry. They gave me the option of choosing which one I wanted, and I chose this color because it was so pretty, and I was like, hold on, wait, I can probably wear this on a day-to-day basis. So inside, as you can see, here is, ooh, that is nice. Okay, that's just a piece of thread. But here's the inside of the bonnet. Oh, that feels nice. That feels nice, and I have no makeup on today. Oh, y'all, that feels nice. I want to sleep on this. So it does have an adjustable strap for you to tighten it around your head, which is nice, and it's actually sewn in there, so that's nice. So I'm just going to show you guys how you would adjust it. So this is the YANIBEST Satin Line Sleep Cap, okay? Yes, this is a sleep cap. Now, woo, y'all know how I like wearing my bright yellow bonnet, okay? I like it mainly because it's yellow, okay? And I can fit a whole lot of hair there, okay? So this is their satin line sleep cap. Like I said, I'll make sure I insert some of the unboxing clips in this video as well for you guys. And as you guys can see, I'm turning to the side for y'all, okay? As you can see, it does have like a little danglage down here. It does come all the way down here. Let's just put it this way. I like how this mug feels, okay? It feels nice. It feels comfy. I didn't have any issues. Every time I went to sleep, it stayed on my head. So that's a good thing right there, okay? So over the last couple nights, and days, because I will say I was wearing it during the day too, I'm going to go ahead and share all of my feelings and what I've noticed and all the other good stuff. So when you first get the sleep cap, it came in this bag like this. It came in this bag. I just dropped something. It's okay. So it came in this bag like this. And by the way, you can order from them from Amazon. I'll make sure I leave a link for this sleep cap down below in the description box. It does come in different colors, so just to let you guys know, it does come in different colors. So number one, I have noticed that this is very, very comfy to sleep in. It didn't come off my head, plus it has a little adjustable strap in the back. Let me see if I can pull it out for you guys and show you guys what it looks like. So here is the little adjustable strap right here, and here is the little thingamabob here. I hope you can hear me. And you just pull it to tighten it. So you pull it to tighten it, or you unpull it to loosen it. So from what I've noticed, this cap, you can fit a lot. Okay, a lot of hair in here. If you have a lot of hair, you can fit a lot of hair. And this baby right here is very, very nice. It's very, very, you can fit a lot in here, okay? You can fit a lot. Right now, my hair underneath this is French braided down. I did that on purpose so you can actually see how much space it holds in here, okay? It holds a lot, okay? A lot of hair. Now, For some of us, we want to know, does this satin snag or anything like that on our hair? Now, like I said, I don't sleep pretty, okay? I sleep like I'm tired, I'm a bear, I need some sleep, you know, all that other good stuff, okay? It did not snag my hair. I did not find little pieces of my hair still inside of the cap when I woke up in the morning, so that is a good thing. I really did like that about this sleep cap. I will also mention that I did wear it out, okay? I had to go to Costco, I had to go to Aldi's and to Target, and I had this on. I probably should have vlogged that, you know, taking pictures of that, but you guys, I was already mad and pissed off because of a different situation. So, you know, there's just some people out here that can't drive. Okay, but other than that, I like this. This is really nice because y'all, I might have to give me some more of the colors. Okay, this sleep cap is freaking nice. So one of the other things I did in order to test it out, I did wash my hair. Okay, so I washed my hair. I didn't deep condition my hair this time around though. I washed my hair and I moisturized. I oiled it, and I used the spray I've been using for my hair. And I will tell you, after I did it, I didn't do nothing else in my head. I had a fro and everything, and I put the sleep cap on, okay? Now, there was no leakage or spillage of oils or liquid coming down my neck. A lot of times I get that, okay? I get that, okay, I won't say a lot of times. Yeah, a lot of times I get that, a lot, okay? And there was no oil or any seepage of any moisture or anything on my pillow. And I just sleep on a regular cotton pillow, you know, nothing fancy over here. No fancy pillows over here, okay? Just a regular cotton old pillow. I know that's bad. Y'all don't come for me, okay? But yes, so that's what I want to share with you guys. Like I said, I really liked wearing this out. So, you know, a lot of times you just want to put on something on your head and, you know, it's getting hot. You can't just throw on a beanie. So this is, it is comfortable. It does have airflow. Like my scalp and my head was not sweating while I was wearing this. And it was like 90 something degrees yesterday out here in Texas. And I was, well, in the part of Texas I'm in, it was like 90 something degrees yesterday. And it was hot. And my head was just fine. It was not sweating. I wasn't sweating or nothing like that. So I was happy about that. I know you guys are looking at me like, Chanel, okay, you're telling us all the positive things. Is there anything negative? I think the only thing that I can say is negative about this cap is that the satin is right here. If you guys can see that, it's right here. So it's about, what, 2 inches? The satin part doesn't start to 2 inches into the inside of the cap, if you guys can see that. That's my only issue. I kind of wish that the satin came like probably like started like a ½ an inch within the cap. That would give me a little bit more of a safety net, especially around my edges and my nape area. That would have been, you know, really, really nice. But other than that, I don't have any issues with this cap. It does give you, in here, it does give you the directions on how to wash it and to maintain it. So that is a good thing because, girl, I didn't know nothing about no satin, girl. No. But I'm super happy it came with this that tells me everything about the cap and their other products and how to maintain and take care of this. So I was super happy that this came with it because, you know, I was about to have to go and email them back and be like, how am I supposed to wash this? But, you know, it's okay. That's alright. It came with this. I'm super, super ecstatic. And like I said, you can find them on Amazon. I will have a link for their product down below in the description box. But that's all I wanted to share with you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys go and try them out. Now, I will say, they are not expensive, okay? This cap is not expensive. But it depends currently what you think affordability is. It is under $20. I will say that. And I really do like this cap. And I will be buying some for myself very shortly. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys in this video today. Thank you so much for watching. Always remember to embrace your beauty. And I'll talk to you again later. Bye.